me Kurt, and the birthday party's over, and got a lot of nice presents. So I'm gonna show you. I got a sweater, so nice, and I got a card. And money, of course, but I took out the money. I got a pair of shoes, Sean Paul, fancy brand, fancy, or something like that. Winter shoes. But what I want to show you most of all, the most important thing, that I got this. Yeah, beautiful. So I'm gonna show you. It has a mirror there. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Beautiful box, and it has a nice leather strap. So it has the Bali shaving soap from Lilleborg, Norwegian brand, with Sterol, and it has the ingredient there, and there's a cool, really cool slot for you to put in a razor blade. That was smart of Lilleborg. And open up, and here you have what's left of the soap in the aluminum. Like a good soapy smell. Doesn't smell old, but smells soapy. Not very much scent, so far as I can pick up. So that's that one. And we got razor, Gillette there. The spring is gone, but it has the Gillette logo. Everything made in America. Yeah, the blades fall over in here. Probably when I move the case, so I can do. Here's it. So it need to be clean before I can use it. A little bit ugly there. If it's verdigris or something, I don't know. Let's see. And it has a shaving brush. Over. And what I found most interesting, it's made in Norway. It says Jordan, fabricated in Norway. And it has the, if you give me a second, like the mirror, and then it has the slots for razor blades there. Inside you have like this, but they're empty. Some of them are empty. And also this Basag Norwegian blade. And it also has the says Ni. It has the date or something there. That was a very nice and thoughtful gift from my aunt. I really appreciate that. So I hope you liked the gifts, or you get to see what I got. And this was the most fun gift to get that I got today, in my opinion. So take care, and I'm using my head blade. Necklace and with the silver. So enjoy your shares, and see you again soon. Bye.